have continuing coverage. A jury convicted Emanuel Samson in the Antioch church shooting, and now that same jury is going to be back today to sentence him for the murder. News Channel 5's Nick Barris has headed up our gavel-to-gavel coverage of this trial. He's done a great job for us. Nick, you're live in the 5 Alert Center right now with what we can expect moving forward today.
Yeah, I think, Adam, pretty much we can expect that the sentencing phase, which really began last Friday, should wrap up today. We'll see. You never know what really happens in court, but here's what we can expect. Now, as you know, the jury already has heard from family members of Melanie Crow. She is the woman Samson was convicted of murdering, all right? Now, today we expect to hear from witnesses actually testifying on behalf of Samson, likely talking about his difficult childhood, mental illness. Keep in mind, prosecutors are not seeking the death penalty in this case, so the jury really only has two choices: life in prison with possibility of parole, or life in prison without possibility of parole. But really, I have to tell you, there is no drama in what we expect today. Remember, the jury also convicted Samson of 42 other charges. The judge is going to sentence him on those as well. When it's all said and done, it's very likely he will serve more than 100 years and will never, regardless of what the jury does today, ever come out from behind bars. Now, our gavel-to-gavel coverage begins at 8 a.m. this morning with Morning Line, all right? It'll be live on News Channel 5 Plus and streaming live on Facebook at newschannel5.com. You can also message me with comments on my Facebook page, Nick Barris NC5, and we'll be on this coverage gavel-to-gavel all day long until that sentencing is completed. We'll send it back to you in the studio.